Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Paris gifts is probably one of the most delightful and thoughtful ways to bring a touch of Parisian charm and elegance into someone's life. Whether they're a seasoned Francophile or simply dreaming of a trip to the City of Lights, imagine their delight as they unwrap a carefully chosen present that evokes the romance, art, and sophistication of Paris, making any occasion feel truly special and unforgettable. Number 5. MALEDEN Vintage Traveler Notebook. Experience the comfort of high-quality soft leather. This notebook feels great in your hands and is designed for durability, perfect for travel and everyday use. Write and draw with ease on our smooth, sturdy craft paper. It's designed to minimize ghosting and bleed through, even with fountain pens. Plus, it includes convenient card slots and a zipper pouch. With 180 blank pages, you have the freedom to write, draw, sketch, or keep notes without any restrictions. Easily refillable, you can customize its thickness to your preference. This journal is perfect for a variety of uses, from daily planning and gratitude entries to art journaling and keeping lists. Its vintage style makes it stand out for any occasion. Embrace the vintage style with its superior leather and paper. It makes an outstanding gift for yourself, family, or friends. What we like. This journal offers a premium feel with its soft leather cover, perfect for those who appreciate tactile quality. Its refillable design means it can grow with your thoughts and memories, making it a long-term companion. If you're looking for a durable and versatile notebook for writing, sketching, or planning, especially for travel or daily use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The vintage-looking pages are thick and sturdy and the cover is gorgeous and with nice material. This 6-ring 1-2 journal is sturdy and comes with vanilla blank pages, a Ziploc pouch and a 6-compartment card sleeve. Lightweight. No foul chemical smell. Just a cute journal with a wrap-around cord and 2 charms. Quality made with a gorgeous print on the cover. Perfect size for my needs. Can easily be popped into most purses, so great for on-the-go use. The paper it's sold with is thick and smooth. I used a no-bleed black Sharpie fine tip and there was no bleed. The inside of the cover has no dedicated pockets, so glad it comes with card holders and a zip pouch. The pages fit into rings nicely and can be switched around. Number 4. Purple Ladybug DIY Mosaic Photo Frame Craft Kit. Discover the joy of creating something beautiful with this all-in-one mosaic art kit. It includes everything you need to design a unique photo frame. Craft with genuine mother-of-pearl shells that add a luminous, multicolor shine. Each piece is unique, allowing for endless design possibilities. Enjoy a mess-free experience with child-friendly glue and tools. All materials are non-toxic and safe for indoor crafting fun. This engaging activity helps develop fine motor skills, color recognition, and planning. It's a fun way to explore art and design. Give the gift of creativity. It's an ideal present for birthdays or any occasion for girls aged 6 and up. Once completed, the personalized frame becomes a treasured keepsake to proudly display their artistic achievement. What we like. This craft kit provides a unique and engaging activity with genuine mother-of-pearl shells for a luminous finish. It's designed to be a safe and mess-free experience, promoting creativity and fine motor skills. If you're searching for a fun, educational gift for a girl aged 6 to 12 who loves hands-on projects and creating personalized keepsakes, this mosaic photo frame kit is ideal. What people say. The Paris theme is very cute and appealing to girls. The gift set includes a variety of items that are well packaged. The quality of the items in the set is good for the price. Number 3. FULLOSUN Eiffel Tower 3D Illusion Nightlight. Introducing the FULLOSUN Eiffel Tower 3D Illusion Nightlight. It brings the iconic Paris landmark to life with a stunning visual effect. Crafted with an optical acrylic flat board and laser engraving, this lamp creates an incredible 3D illusion. It's a unique way to decorate any room. Easily control the mood with 16 color changes and 4 dynamic flashing modes. You can also adjust the brightness to your preference using the included remote. Designed with children in mind, the LED light is soft, uniform, and flicker-free. It's dimmable and harmless to little eyes, making it a perfect night companion. This 3D Eiffel Tower nightlight makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. It's a thoughtful present for kids, family, and friends. With its larger size and superior quality, it stands out from other 3D lamps. It's not just a light source, but a beautiful piece of home decor. What we like. This lamp creates a stunning 3D visual effect of the Eiffel Tower, offering a magical ambience with 16 color choices and remote control functionality. It's designed with eye-friendly LED lights and a larger size for greater impact. If you're looking for a unique nightlight or decorative piece for a child's bedroom or a Paris-themed space, this offers a captivating and customizable glow. What people say. Looks good. It's worth it, it's beautiful. It has beautiful colors. Simple design. Colorful at night. Very bright and easy to use. Number 2. Gemstone King Eiffel Tower Pendant Necklace. Capture the romance of Paris with this exquisite Eiffel Tower pendant. It's a timeless symbol of love and elegance, perfect for any occasion. Adorned with brilliant white zirconia, this pendant offers a dazzling sparkle. The stones are meticulously set to catch the light beautifully. Made from high-quality 925 sterling silver, this piece promises lasting shine and durability. It's a luxurious addition to your jewelry collection. Measuring 0.5 inches, the pendant is perfectly sized to make a statement without being overpowering. Its intricate design showcases the iconic landmark. It comes complete with an 18-inch complementary chain, ready to wear right out of the box. This makes it an ideal gift for someone special. Add a touch of Parisian chic to your everyday style or special events. This necklace is sure to turn heads and spark conversation. What we like. This necklace features a beautifully crafted Eiffel Tower pendant set in sterling silver with sparkling white zirconia. It's an elegant piece that adds a touch of Parisian chic to any outfit. If you're looking for a sophisticated and timeless gift for someone who loves Paris or appreciates delicate jewelry, this pendant necklace is a perfect choice. What people say. Such a beautiful gift for a friend. Bought it for granddaughter going to France with French club. She loved it. Number 1. Women's French-themed party costume set. Step into a world of timeless elegance with this charming French-themed costume set. Perfect for parties and dress-up occasions, it offers a complete look with effortless style. This ensemble includes a classic beret hat, a delicate chiffon scarf, and stylish gloves. It's everything you need to capture a sophisticated retro vibe. Add the finishing touch with a pair of chic oval sunglasses. They perfectly complement the vintage aesthetic, making you stand out from the crowd. Whether it's a themed party or a special event, this costume set provides a unique and fashionable choice. It's designed for those who appreciate classic style. Designed for both women and girls, this set makes dressing up fun and easy. Achieve a polished and put-together appearance with minimal effort. What we like. This set offers a complete French-themed costume accessory kit, including a classic beret, chiffon scarf, and retro sunglasses. It's perfect for themed parties, dress-up, or adding a touch of Parisian flair to an outfit. If you're preparing for a French-themed event or want to channel a chic, retro vibe, this ensemble provides an easy and stylish solution. What people say. The kit had everything we needed: beret, scarf, gloves, the sunglasses were a plus. Easy on and off and comfortable. The beret and scarf are of similar quality as the ones being sold in Paris. Truly a one-size-fits-all deal. The color is nice and bright and everything fit perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.